Welcome back to
Cooking with the Boys.
Today we will be making one pot mac and cheese.
So what you'll need today is a box of macaroni, 2 cups of milk, 2 cups of water, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of mozzarella, but you can also use 2 cups of cheddar cheese, a teaspoon of salt, and as an addition, you can later add mustard, garlic powder, pepper, and grated onion.
First, you will put water, milk, salt, and put the box of macaroni in. Mix, and then wait until it starts boiling. And stir the macaroni occasionally.
Once it starts to boil, turn down the heat a little bit and cook until the macaroni becomes soft and the milk has thickened about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to stir frequently so it doesn't get stuck at the bottom.
When it's ready, taste it, and if it's not cooked enough, you can add more water and cook it. But now this is ready. So we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients. First, mozzarella cheese. And then next, cheddar cheese. If you're using, you can add garlic powder and mustard and some grated onions and pepper. Then mix well. Now it's ready to serve. Now let's eat.